Network marketing has always been an incredible vehicle for people who want to start their own business. At Go Foods Global, we know it takes a certain mindset as well as a proven training system to become successful in our industry. Introducing the Keith Halls Leadership Team. Keith is a true icon in the network marketing arena and has been helping people attain financial freedom for over 30 years. He and his leadership team teach proven rules and techniques that can completely transform your business and personal life to heights you never thought possible. Everyone wants to succeed, but not everyone has a multi-million-dollar earner like Keith Halls guiding you every step of the way. As a new Go Foods business owner, you'll feel confident to know you're on the right road, going in the right direction, and getting the right training from the right source. The Keith Halls Leadership Team. Just one more advantage of being a Go Foods independent business owner.